Instant noodles are produced every day in highly automated food factories. The process begins with wheat flour, the main ingredient used to make noodles. These ingredients are transported to the mixing section.
Clear on the right. Following you.
Powerful mixers combine the ingredients to form noodle dough.
The dough is kneaded until it becomes smooth and elastic.
The dough is rolled into thin sheets for shaping. Special cutters transform the sheets into long noodle strands. The noodles travel through the production line on conveyor belts. The noodles are steamed to cook them partially. Workers carefully monitor the cooking process. Next, the noodles are quickly fried in hot oil.
This frying process gives instant noodles their long shelf life.
The noodle blocks are cooled before packaging. Quality inspectors check the noodles carefully. The noodles are placed into cups or packet packaging.
Flavor seasoning packets are added to every pack. Machines seal the packages to keep the noodles fresh.
Each product receives its label and information. Workers perform final quality checks. The noodles are packed into boxes for distribution. The finished products are stored in the warehouse. Forklifts move the boxes toward the loading area. The products are loaded onto trucks for delivery. Finally, the instant noodles are delivered to stores around the world.